You may have trouble getting out of a zoom mode and can't figure out how to disable it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone stuck in zoom mode and how to unzoom your iPhone screen. Without further ado, let's get started. So you may be in the same situation as I am now. So I currently have my iPhone zoomed in, so that's why it looks like this. So one thing you can do to zoom it out is to tap the screen twice with your 3 fingers. So just do that. And then you should be able to see this window. So just tap on zoom out right there, and that should immediately turn your iPhone screen back to normal and have it zoomed out. So that's how you can do it. And I'm just going to go back to the pages, and to disable the zoom mode, if you don't want to enable it anymore, just go to the settings page or app on your iPhone, and from here to scroll down a bit and click on accessibility. From here, click on zoom and just click on this toggle button that is currently green to have it turn gray like that, and you should not have your phone zoomed in accidentally anymore. So that is how you can basically fix the iPhone stuck in zoom mode. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.